Hey guys, it's Risa. I'm not in my kitchen, I'm at work. So what's for lunch? I'm gonna tell you. So today I brought a delicious and nutritious high protein omelet. This morning I got up early. Sometimes I make a few in a row and I keep them in containers. I'll show you. And I just took a couple of eggs, not hard boiled. I took a couple of eggs and a little bit of egg whites, makes it nice and fluffy, a little bit of milk. I added some spinach and some onion and mushrooms and a tablespoon of Zerto. So this whole omelet on Freestyle is 0. Look how big it is. I know. So it's nice and big, it's delicious, it's filling, and high protein. I also, you can see I've cut up lots of beautiful vegetables in this bowl. You eat with your eyes, so I like to make it look pretty. Sometimes I cut it in advance or I just do it at work. And the other thing that I brought for dessert is some nice fresh fruit. And so it's a well-balanced meal. And I love these tortillas. They're only 1 smart point at the low-carb grocery store. I just love having things here because then I'm in control of what I'm having. The saturated fats, the calories, the protein, the sodium. Watch your sodium, people. So, you can make a few omelets in a row, like have them so that you have them for a few days in a row. Not in a row, a few days in a row. Because I don't mind having the same thing for a few days. Then after a while, I need to switch it up a little bit. So yesterday I had tuna, the day before I had chicken, and I also love this dressing. One of my favorites is the Opa, 2 tablespoons, 1 smart point. And what do I like to drink? Usually just plain water, but I've been into this Perrier. I love it. You can buy a case at Walmart or a huge case at Costco. So that's really good. And because it's bubbly, you stay fuller longer. You could add some fresh lemon to it or mint or whatever flavorings you have. That would be delicious. So this whole meal here is only 1 smart point. Oh, no, 2 smart points. 2 smart points because of the dressing. So you can have a lot of food for minimal points on WW. And even if you're not on WW, this is a nice, well-balanced meal. All right, so that's what's for lunch. Thank you so much for subscribing to my new channel, Risa's Recipes. And check out all my old videos on Risa Weiner. They will be transferred. Depending when you're watching this, they could have been transferred already. Not yet. But lots of videos, podcasts, breakfast, lunch, snack, all kinds of different tips and strategies I have, okay? Share with other people, ring the bell, and you'll get all my new videos by email. Take care. Bye for now. Love you guys.